Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and as you know, it's my mission to end chronic pain. One thing that I just saw recently in the office is, aside from seeing a lot of back pain, I actually saw a few patients with foot and heel or like plantar fascia problems. Right? Usually, it's going to be foot or heel pain, and one of the things that we recommend for those kind of patients is wearing shoe inserts. A lot of times we have this false belief that, oh, when I put a shoe insert or what we call an orthotic, we should be ready to go. It should be completely pain-free. It doesn't work that way. So I want to give you a heads up. Whenever you have new shoes, let's say we have shoes that we recommend to patients that are better than others, especially commercial brand shoes, or if you're using shoe inserts or orthotics, I want to tell you that you have to give it time to give your body time to adjust to it. So there's a break-in period, all right? So how long is this? I want you to give it 1 to 2 weeks before you start saying that it didn't help you. So you want to give it time to help support your body, and you want to give your body time to adjust to it. So usually, like I said, 1 to 2 weeks is a good time period that we allow your foot to get used to it. At the beginning, you might actually feel even more pain or soreness for the first few days. That's because you're not used to it. But just give it a little bit of time. All right? So just remember, break it in, see how you feel. After 1 to 2 weeks, if you have less pain, then that means it's working for you. If it doesn't, then you might be safe to assume that it's not working for you. Then it's good to try, it's reasonable to try something else. All right? So just keep that in mind and let me know what you think. You can comment on the box below, and like us on, if you like this video, you can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I want to see you in the next episode on how to end chronic pain. Stay safe, stay pain-free. Bye.